Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In previous video, I have discussed about how to create new schemas in MySQL Workbench and also how to create tables in the schema. If you didn't watch that video, I request you to please watch that video, and I have given that video in the description box and as well as in the iCard. So please go and watch that video. In today's video, I am going to discuss about SQL joins. These are very important in SQL. You all know that SQL is structured query language, right? SQL is a structured query language. Now let's discuss SQL joins. Joins are of four types in SQL. First one is inner join, and the second one is left join. Third one is right join, and the fourth one is full join. Inner join is also called as join, and left join is also called as left outer join, but in short we will write left join. Right join is also called as right outer join, and full join is also called as full outer join, right? Now let's discuss about inner join. Like if this is a table A, this is the table A, and this is the table B. What inner join do means, inner join retrieves the records that matches with both table A and table B. Like it is the intersection of both table A and table B. It only retrieves the matched values, matched records that are present in both table A and table B. This is the inner join. Coming to the left join retrieves the rows or records that are present in the left table and also matched records from the right table. Suppose table A is the left table and table B is the right table, right? Now what left join will do means, left join retrieves the records from the left table and also matched records from the right table. So it retrieves table A and matched records from the table B. This is the left join. Okay. Coming to the right join, like how the left join retrieves the left table, in the right join retrieves the records from the table B, from the right table, and also matched records from the left table, that is table A. So you all get this point, right? Inner join retrieves the matched records that are present in both table A and table B. Left join retrieves all the table A and also matched records from the table B. Right join retrieves all the right records and also matched records from the table A. Coming to the full join retrieves all the records from the table A and table B without even seeing whether it is matching or matched or not. So it retrieves all the records. So you all get this point, right? Hope you are all understood this concept. Inner join, left join, right join, and full join. Now let's discuss these concepts by practically. This is the MySQL Workbench. Now here I have created the schema. If you don't know how to create the schema, I have explained the schemas, like creation of schemas, in the previous video. Please go and watch that video. I have created a schema called SQL, and in that schema I have created the tables, customers and orders. This is the customer table. I have created the customer table. In the customer table I have given fields name as customer ID, customer name, contact name, country. And coming to the orders table, in orders table I have given order ID, customer ID, order date. In these two tables, the common field is customer ID. In orders table, customer ID is there, and in the customers table, customer ID is there. So the common field that present in between in both the tables is customer ID, right? Now let's discuss the joins practically. Now coming to the inner join, let's discuss the inner join. So This is the inner join. Now let's discuss the inner join. First we need to select. I'm selecting all the field names. Select all from customers table, and I am giving customers table name as customers C, and I am naming the customers as C. Customer from select all from customer C and join. Here join is nothing but inner join. We can also write inner join, but in short we can write join. I want to join orders table. Orders table, and I am naming the orders table as O. In short, O on. We need to write the condition on. We need to join the table based on some common field names between those two tables, right? In the customer table, the common field is customer ID. In the orders table, the common field is customer ID, right? So we need to join them based on some common field name that is present in between those two tables. So we need to join customer table based on C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. Here C dot customer ID means C is nothing but customers table. I have named the customers table as C, and I have named orders table as O. You can also write customers dot customer ID, but it gives length, right? So I have named in a short. Now here C dot customer ID in the sense is customers table customer ID field. O dot customer ID means orders table customer ID field. So hope you are all getting my point. So this is the a syntax for inner join. Now let's execute and see. You can see we get all the field names: customer ID, customer name, contact name, country in the customers, and orders is order ID, customer ID, order date, and you can also see order ID, customer date, order date. Based on this condition, we have joined these two tables, customers table and orders table, based on the common condition called C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. See, whenever you are using joins, SQL joins, you definitely have to connect the tables with the common field name. Then only we can execute the joins. Okay. So one common field has to be connected between those two tables. That is important in joins, SQL joins. You can get the joins. It retrieves, inner join retrieves matched records that are present in both customers table and orders table. So these are the records that are matched in these two tables. Now suppose if I use left join left join, what I have told previously, left join retrieves all the records that are present in the left table. Here in the left, what is the table that is present? Customers table is present in the left. So it retrieves all the records that are present in the customers table and matched records in the right table. It gives preference to the left table. What you have written in the left, that will be taken by the left join. Now let's execute this one. Here this is the inner join. This is the output for the inner join. Now let's execute now for the left join. You can see it retrieved all the records that are present in the customers table. But here it gives only the matched records that are present in the right table. See, if suppose there are no records that are matched in the right table, means it will give the value as null. Suppose if I give right join in the place of left, if we give right join means it retrieves all the rows that are present in the orders table, and only matched records that are present in the customer table will be appeared in our output. So here you can see in the left join, we got the values null in the order table, right? Now if I keep right join, we will get null values in the customers table. This is customers, right? Let's execute now. See, you can see we got all the records that are present in the orders table. Like it gives preference to the right side table. Now coming to the left side table, that is customers table, we got only matched records. Only these are the records that are matched with the orders table. But the records that are not matched will be written as null values. See, this is the difference between inner join, left join and right join. Now let's write full join. Before performing the full join, we need to know that in MySQL there is no direct implementation of full join. We need to use union operator in order to connect those two tables. Like we need to connect left join by using the operator called union, and again we need to write select all from customers C, customers table, which I am naming as C. Now right join orders table, I am naming as O, on the condition C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. See, this is the full join implementation. There is no direct implementation in the in MySQL for full join. Instead, we have to use left join and right join. We need to union the left join and right join condition. Now let's execute. It will retrieve all the records. See, it retrieves all the records and it will not see whether it is matching or not. It just retrieves all the records, and if the records are not matched means you can see the null values will be appeared, right? This is all about the SQL joins: inner join, left join, right join and full join. Inner join retrieves the matched records that are present in both table A and table B. Coming to the left join, retrieves only the left records and the matched records that are present in the right table, right? In the right join, retrieves right table's record and matched records with the left table. Coming to the full join, it retrieves all the records without seeing any matched records that are present in the both tables. Let's solve some queries. Find all orders placed by customers from a specific country. Here you can see in the customers table there is also a column name called country. Okay, specific country, showing order details and customer information. They are also giving, like, we need to select all the customer information, right? Let's write the query. Let's select order ID from the order table and ordered date and customer information, customer ID and customer. We have given the field name as customer name and the contact name. So we want these fields to be executed: contact name and customer, in the customers table, country. Now from orders table, left join, we need to join left join customers as C on the condition C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. Now here they specified that here in the query you can see find all orders. Here all orders. Again we need to give preference to the orders table. So orders table, wherever the orders table is there, we need to write the join according to it. So I have given orders table in the left side, so I have given left join. If I given orders table in the right side, I have to use right join. That means we need to give preference to the orders table. So find all the orders placed by the customers from a specific country. That means we have to give country name, like we have to give specified country name, and we need to find it. For this we need to use where condition, where customers country. That means in the customers table, country field is Germany. That means here what it will do means it selects all the order ID, order date, all the field names will be appeared in the output. These are the field names. It will be appeared in the output, and it selects the customers table country field where it is Germany, where the country name is Germany. It only selects the records that contains country name as Germany. Okay, now let's execute this query. You can see the country name Germany has two records. First one is Peter and next one is Patrick. So these two records has been retrieved now. If I give Mexico as my country name, if I give Mexico, now the Mexico records will be appeared. Here you can see Elena and Joy. So this is the record. Now next one. Get the order details for orders placed on a specific date. Here again get the order details. Here they are giving preference to the orders, right? Same. We need to specify. In the previous question we have specified the country name. Now we need to specify the date. Select. Let's give order date, order ID from the orders table and order date from the orders table and customer name. Let's give these three fields. That's it. From orders table, from orders, and I am giving naming as O. We need to use left join customers table as C on the condition C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. Now again we need to use where. Now they are asking to specify, specific a date, like we need to specify some date. So where the date is present in orders table only. Here you can see in the customers table customer ID, customer name, contact name, country name, but in orders you can see order date. So in the orders table order date is present, so we need to give O dot orders date is equal to, now we need to specify one date, that is 2002-01-01. See, in MySQL the date will be like MySQL will take date in the format of year, month, date. Now let's execute. Okay. Here I have given the field name wrong. In the orders table the field name is order date, but I have given orders date. So let's execute again. Okay, see here again I have done mistake here. C dot customer ID and O dot customer ID. You need to see the spellings. Let's execute now. So you can see order date, the customer name is Elena. You can give random name, random dates. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Hope you all got these SQL joins. So this is all about this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Thank you for